Well, good evening, everyone. A warm, warm welcome to all the lovely people out here. So let's clap and begin. Can I hear some loud claps from all of you? Congratulating each other for this beautiful, lovely day. So good evening, everyone. My name is Shweta Kapoor. On behalf of Trade in Media, Research Brand Digital, presenting the prestigious awards today, National Business and Service Leadership Awards 2021. Trade in Media got started in New Delhi around 7 years ago, and it's been a top brand management and media production company in India. Through the couple of years of history, our work, research, we've completed projects, sectors including automotive, electronics, durable goods, chemicals, finance, insurance, IT, telecom, FMCG, medical, pharmaceutical, and many, many more. We're here to provide a very detailed and wide coverage of industry research in India and internationally. Right from market to event management to branding to media service, we have it all. Before we begin, we'd like to thank all our associate sponsors. Let's clap for Gotham Clinic Private Limited. Everyone, thank you so much, Gotham Clinic. We'd like to thank Utkam Preschool. Let's clap for Divine Kinesthetic Clinic. Everybody. The next one, the Manvins Group Hotels and Housing. Let's clap for CO Tech Experts. And of course, a very special thanks to our organizer, Mr. A.K. Chauhan. Can we clap for him, everybody? The reason why we are here again and again and again. Well, ladies and gentlemen, amongst us today, we have with us someone really, really prestigious, right from acting to having a beautiful smile to being a superhuman. She's always throbbed our hearts away with her performance in every single character she played, right from Gangs of Wasipur to, of course, the bell bottom that we recently saw, and of course, not to forget, wow, that was a beautiful one, Maharani. So yes, we have here with us live, totally live, Maharani herself, the very gorgeous, very ravishing, very, very gracious, and a beautiful smile. Let's welcome Huma Qureshi, everybody, come on. I thought the claps are going to be louder than the music that I'm going to hear today. Come on. The most admired kidney treatment in Ayurveda, Varanasi. And the award goes to BK Arogyam and Research Private Limited. We'd like to welcome on stage Dr. Brijesh Chaurasia, MD, and Mrs. Shimali Chaurasia, Director. Joining us in receiving the lovely award. I'm missing on the claps, everybody. Come on. Congratulations to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me here. I think I want to wish my heartiest congratulations to all the winners. You are champions. Thank you so much for everything that you do and your contribution to the service industry. And of course, many congratulations to Trade in Media and for A.K. Chauhan. Thank you so much for having me here again. I remember doing something with you back in the day, a few years ago, and it just feels nice to sort of come back and be part of this lovely evening where we are commemorating some very, very special people tonight.
I am Amit Chauhan. I am the marketing head of this company, and I want to congratulate to all winners and my team. They had done a good job. Thank you.